Hey guys, so I came back with another makeup look. This is like my unicorn makeup look. So let's get into the video. So I did a nice, pretty, silvery, pinky look, and I really loved it. So I'm going to take my transition color. I'm just going to pat that on the lid so it's easier so I can blend out all the other colors that I will be using. Then I want to take this darker brown color and I want to put that in my crease as well. Then I'm gonna take this pretty purple and I'm gonna put it at the end, and I'm gonna end up bringing it all the way into my crease, but lightly though. And make sure that you blend it out really good. I'm taking a really light hand with it because I don't want it to be too too dark or nothing. Then I'm cutting my crease with my concealer. This concealer is by BH Cosmetics as well. And then I'm going to pack on that pretty pink color. It's really pretty. And I hope you guys like this. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all comment down below if it's any looks that you want to see me do, or if you want me to do a Q&A or anything. I will be doing a Q&A regardless though, so y'all can get to know me better. And I'm gonna pack on that pretty glitter. And I always line my eyes with like a black liner, so I know not to go right down my lash line, so it could be easier if I can put my liquid liner on after the glitter. And just make sure that you pat that glitter on really well. I'm using the eyelash glue. You can use whatever you like. You can use like a glitter adhesive or whatever. I just like using a eyeliner. And then this color right here is like a silver color, and I'm gonna pat that on as well. Then I'm gonna go on back on top of it with like a chunky glitter as well. It's so pretty. So pretty. And I'll list the glitters down below that I'm using as well. And y'all make sure that y'all subscribe to that y'all follow me on Instagram. My personal Instagram is PK_Miller, and my makeup one is Royal Glam Lux. And I'll put it down in the description bar as well. Y'all let me know if y'all loving these makeup videos that I'm posting, or if it's anything that I should change or anything I should do better. Y'all let me know. And I love this foundation. It's my holy grail. I love it. I used to love the Fenty one, and before the Fenty one, it was like the Becca one. But I really fell in love with these two, and I mixed them. And I really love this concealer as well. It blends out really, really, really well. I love it. And you want to make sure that you blend it out really well and like bounce it. Don't like rub it in, but bounce it. And I hate setting powders. I never use my setting powder. I don't know what made me want to use it. I look like Casper, the friendly ghost. But the setting spray is gonna it's gonna cancel out some of that whiteness. And then I'm bouncing the same beauty blender in to make sure that it gets all of it off. I'm gonna add my blush from Juvia's Place. And that's my Holy Grail highlighter. I love that highlighter, as you can tell. I even have one inside my makeup kit. Yeah, I'm a freelancer if y'all didn't know. I do makeup full time. Full time makeup artist. Let me know if I should do a video on what's in my kit, in my makeup kit. I'm gonna line my lips with this pretty burgundy color, but I'm gonna end up changing it to gloss. I love gloss. This right here used to be my favorite combo, and this lip gloss, well, that lipstick was from it was from Sephora. And I'm using the NYX white eyeliner, and this is the look. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell your friends, tell everyone. I told you I was going to come with a video every day. If not every day, every other day. Hope you guys love it. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.